Hi everyone, Brad here. Welcome to Airstream, Utah and our Maintenance Monday. This week I'm going to talk about checking your Never Lube bearings on your trailer. Join me. If you missed last week, I talked about rotating your tires, and that should be done at 10,000 mile intervals or 6 months. This week I'm going to talk about inspecting your Never Lube bearings. The manual states that you should visually inspect your Never Lube bearings at 10,000 miles, same intervals as you rotate your tires. Back in Chapter 8 of your manual, it goes over the list of items to check with your Never Lube bearings here, and it tells you that at minimum you should check the bearings at 12,000 miles or every year, whichever comes first. I went over how to jack the trailer up last week. This trailer is already jacked up. Here's how to inspect your bearings. With the trailer lifted off the ground, I want to do a push and pull here. And there may be just a hair bit of play in there. Your manual goes over exactly what the play can be. And then I want to rotate the tire forward and backwards. And it should be smooth without clunkiness or weird, odd noises. So that means my bearing is in good shape. If you have excess play here or clunky noise or the wheel doesn't spin freely, it could be your brakes or it could be an axle issue. Recommend that you get it checked out by a professional. Again, check your owner's manual, Chapter 8, the maintenance section, for how to check the bearings and wheels and tires on your specific rig. If you have any questions, give us a call, check out our website, or better yet, stop by. We'd love to help you out in person. Have a great day, everyone, and happy adventures.